Yo, here's the April 8th trade recap. And yeah, so this is GJ. London highs were up here. Market opened and I was waiting to see a sweep of them, but sadly I have school around 8, so I had to get off. So I wish we swept it sooner, but yeah, if I checked it during this time, this would have been a great a great trade to take because we swept the high, broke structure to the downside, absolutely went crazy to the downside. And same with like EU. Oh, sorry, I was doing some back testing, but EU I was wanting a sweep of the downside. I mean, a liquidity sweep of these London lows, not to the downside, to go to the upside, and we got that around 9 and 10 too. That also would have been a great trade to take. Ah! That would have been an amazing trade for a while. This would have been so good. I don't know this. I think I was back testing, but this trade, oh my gosh, that would have been so good. It was following daily buys, like, what's even following daily buys? Hold on. About to cry. No, that trade, we're bearish, but daily buys just changed. But that trade would have been bad. It's not even following daily buys, but would have been good if you're just a risk taker, you know. See ya.